What's up, guys? It is Kenny here, and on behalf of my partner, Jordan, I want to welcome you to CommissionBot, and I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out this page. I know you get a lot of stuff in your inbox and all that kind of stuff, but you're here today, which is awesome, and I just want to shoot this short video for you explaining to you what CommissionBot is, what you're going to get with it, what type of result you should see from it, and then if you like it, you can take advantage of the offer. If you don't like it, that's fine too. It's really up to you. So basically what CommissionBot is I've been in the offline business for a long time, about 14 years. I've been selling services to offline businesses, and there's a number of different foot in the door services that we use, and they could be anything ranging from a simple SEO project or maybe some Facebook stuff that we do with them or whatever. There's a number of different things. CommissionBot is one of the newest and best foot in the doors that we have ever seen. So basically what we do inside of CommissionBot is teach you how to go to local businesses. We give you all of the people that you have to talk to. So don't worry about finding any kind of leads or anything. We show you how to do all of that. So we take this simple service that we offer and we put it in front of the leads that we give you using the script that we give you. And what happens is you just give it away for free. And every time you give it away for free, as long as they stay along as a paying customer, you get paid anywhere from $200 to $500 per month for as long as you want. And what's cool about it is you can also upsell those people if you want. So this is a 10, 15, 20 billion dollar industry that's waiting to blow up. And it needs people like you that are going to take services like the ones that we have and bring it out to the public. The businesses all across the United States and all across the world are absolutely begging for what it is that we have. The sale is the easiest sale you're ever going to make in your life. And it's not even a sale. You just give it away for free. And that's really all you have to do. So basically what we do is we take what's called a capture device. So one of the biggest problems, I own a Facebook ad agency, and one of the biggest problems that we see is that when a customer comes in through an ad, they're not able to actually retain that customer. So they may come in with it from an ad and they may buy one thing or two things or whatever, but then they never come back, right? So what we do is now we offer a capture device along with that ad, meaning every time somebody comes into the place, their information gets captured and that business can then market to them over and over and over again. Think about it this way. If you were to run a paid ad on Facebook or YouTube or Snapchat or wherever, and you were to run that directly to a sales page, that really wouldn't work all that well because you're not capturing any information. You would probably run it to some sort of landing page or some sort of webinar registration or something like that. So you get the name and email of the customer. So then you can market to them in the future if they don't buy from you right away, right? Businesses don't do that. Businesses, the local gym doesn't do that. The pizza place doesn't do that. That's where we come in. We offer what's called a capture device completely for free for the business to use, and we get paid every time we give it away. That is what CommissionBot is about. And like I said, we give you the leads to talk to. You don't have to talk to them on the phone either. It's all done through email or Facebook Messenger. So we give you the leads to talk to. We give you the service to offer. It's all free. You don't have to pay for anything at all. We give you the leads, we give you the service, and we give you how to contact them so they say yes to you over and over and over and over again. So the result that you should see if you actually do what we teach you to do in a very short period of time, I would say probably within the next 3 or 4 weeks, you should be getting at least a client or two per week at $3 to $5 or $2 to $500 per month. And then you have the opportunity to upsell them later on, higher ticket stuff if you choose to do so. So CommissionBot, wrapping it up, is we give you the leads, we give you the service, we give you what to say to them, and all you have to do is give away the most in-demand service for local businesses on the planet completely for free, and you get paid anywhere from $200 to $500 a month. So the answer, the question I have for you is this. It's the only answer that we need. Can you say, here, take this? If you can do that, CommissionBot is for you. If you're not someone who wants to go out and say, here, take this free gift from me, take this free gift from me, take this free thing, try it out. If you don't want to do that and get paid $200 to $500 per month, this is probably not for you. But if you're willing to go out and just say, through Messenger or through email, just say, here, I had this free thing for you, try it out. I had this free thing for you, try it out. And just do that over and over and over again and get paid $200 to $500 every time somebody says yes. If that's you, click the button below and get inside. All right? That's all for now. I hope to see you in the members areas. Kenny Cannon again, along with my partner Jordan on the launch. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.